Today we are going to review how to install side panels along the perimeter of ACO StormBrixx SD and HD. Side panels are required because during the backfill process, material and geotextile cannot enter the system due to soil pressure. The side panels are only used on the outside of the StormBrixx system. You'll hear them snap into place, letting you know it's secure and flush with the sides of the body. For more information on ACO StormBrixx HD and SD, visit acostormbrixx.us.
If you like this video, here's another one we think you'll enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and you'll be the first to know about new ACO products and content.